Degreasing parts is hard. You scrub and scrub, but gunk and grime just won't come off. You tried a scraper, but that didn't work, and now you've been scrubbing for hours and hours, and your hands are starting to cramp. Ouch! That project was only supposed to take a few hours, has now crept into your evening, and your wife is fed up. Yikes. Don't get a divorce, get an ultrasonic cleaner. Simply drop your parts in and wait while it magically removes that pesky residue. Thanks, Ultrasonic Cleaner!
Joe here with Prismatic Powders, and today we're taking a deep dive into ultrasonic cleaners. While they may sound like another too good to be true gimmick, ultrasonic cleaners have been around since the 1950s, and they're based on sound science, literally. If you've been into a mechanics shop or a jewelry shop for the last 30 years, you've likely seen one of these, and they are very popular across a number of industries. You'll run across many small, cheap ones for jewelry, but ultrasonic cleaners get a whole lot bigger and more expensive than that. Let's dive into how ultrasonic cleaners work and see if they're worth the investment to take your workflow to the next level. Ultrasonic cleaners use high-frequency ultrasound waves to loosen debris from the parts. The sound waves agitate the cleaning solvent, creating microscopic vacuum bubbles that break down any residue on a part. The process is great for removing grease and other buildup from hard-to-reach areas. We use this ultrasonic cleaner for the specific purpose of removing grime from etched surfaces on parts. We use non-corrosive extreme simple green in ours because of its non-corrosive properties when cleaning softer metals such as aluminum. To demonstrate its effectiveness, we've loaded a brake caliper with years of gunk and grime into the ultrasonic cleaner and a matching one into an acetone tank. Watch how quickly the parts become clean without any scrubbing or elbow grease, leaving you time for more important things. Ultrasonic cleaners can be designed for water or solvent-based degreasing agents depending on the model. Most will have adjustable water temperature, cleaning cycle duration, and sound wave frequency settings depending on the material being cleaned. Just refer to your owner's manual or the manufacturer for model-specific directions. Let us know in the comments below what your experience has been with ultrasonic cleaners. We think they're a great addition to any shop and can reduce time and effort spent on parts prep. Thanks for watching. See you next time.